In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find XAUUSD on TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, finding the right financial instruments on your TradingView charts is an essential skill. Let's delve into how you can effortlessly locate XAUUSD, which is the ticker symbol for gold paired with the US dollar, on this popular trading platform. First and foremost, you need to navigate to the TradingView website. Launch your preferred web browser and type in tradingview.com in the address bar. Once on the homepage, you might be prompted to log in if you're not already signed in. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one. Just follow the on-screen instructions. After logging in, you'll find yourself on a page packed with all sorts of financial data, charts and tools designed to help you analyze the markets. Now, let's head over to the charts, which is the heart of TradingView. You'll find a button or a link leading you to the chart section. Go ahead and click it. This will open up a full-screen chart where you can visually explore market trends and execute technical analysis. Once your chart is open, the next thing you'll want to do is direct your attention to the upper left corner of the interface. Here, you should see a search box. This is your gateway to exploring countless financial instruments. Click on this symbol search box and it will reveal a drop-down menu or a search field where you can enter specific ticker symbols. Type in XAUUSD into this search field. XAUUSD refers to the gold pair against the US dollar, a widely traded pair that offers insights into the commodities market. You will likely see several different versions or exchanges listing this pair. This might appear a bit overwhelming, but it's a good thing as it shows you various options. Now, it's time to make a choice. Depending on your preference, or perhaps your broker's connection to TradingView, you can select the specific XAUUSD listing that suits your requirements. Once you've made your selection, simply click on it to load it onto your chart. Voila, you're now viewing the XAUUSD pair. Adjust your chart settings as needed, using TradingView's extensive toolbox to add indicators, draw trend lines, or even set alerts for specific price movements. You're now equipped with the toolset to conduct a thorough analysis of XAUUSD and make informed trading decisions. And there you have it. Finding XAUUSD on TradingView is as seamless as that. Whether you're tracking gold prices for personal interest or building a strategic market portfolio, having XAUUSD readily accessible on your chart is a powerful step forward. Feel free to explore other features within TradingView to enhance your trading experience even further. Thank you for watching and happy trading.